add here. One, I love that she has this because it's a great prop. And number two, when you use things like alcohol or soap, monolaurin or virgin coconut oil, they work differently than other drugs in that it's a physical killing of the virus, right? It's really like rubbing the virus walls until they break down and die. That's how they work, which
This
is different from.
this is how they work. That thing is like a capsule of the virus. Inside it is gene. That is its capsule. These are the spikes of proteins called glycoproteins that penetrate that wall and is connected to the inside that transmits the RNA, mRNA message coming from the DNA. That's clear?
Yes,
Okay,
very.
great. So, therefore, what the coconut oil does is that I told you this is a lipid capsule, lipid materials. And
Fats.
lipids are fatty acids that are, and the fatty acids of coconut oil are short to medium chain. They are like me. We're compact, we're short, if you were to make me a fatty acid, I'd be very much quicker. Like in crowds, I can go in between people and then I can go to the
So
front and see what's
funny.
going on in the parade that people with who are tall can never do. So it's basically the same thing with the fatty acids that you get from the coconut oil. They're short, they're compact, they can make palisades, they can go in between and actually
Okay.
penetrate the wall, the lipid walls of those viruses.